We have some branches that are hanging over our house, so we're gonna try and get them down. Oh, wave, Dad. Hi, Dad. Mom, do you want to explain the strategy here? You have some sort of anchor device. How many tries before you hit yourself in the head, do you think? All right, we're about halfway there. The branches are these two guys right here. They are about 2.5 stories up. Is that my bike seat?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, money shot. Come on, Xena Warrior Princess. Oh! That was pretty close, Mom, you're right. This is launching a proton torpedo into the Death Star. This is never going to work.
Pretty damn close.
1, 2.
Oh, really? So close.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. It's in the tree. We have succeeded.
Oh, we gotta get this done before Dad comes back.
Okay, go. Pull on it. Just pull. All right, one branch at a time. So, Dad, what's your plan? Are you gonna bowline yourself up there, or? All right, here he comes. He bought a saw. He's got a saw and a ladder. The world is his oyster. So what we did is we shimmied up the tree, and I didn't really want to record my dad's final moments, so I turned the camera off. But we got it.